Hey Tool Nuts, I'm Doug with ToolNut.com. Today we're going to be unboxing the new DEWALT 20 volt brushless pin nailer. So this is part of their Atomic series of tools, super compact. As always, I'll start with, we're unboxing the kit here, meaning it's going to come with a battery, look at that, first thing out of the box, and a charger. This is also available as a bare tool, meaning you can get just the pin nailer by itself with no battery and no charger. So if you're already part of the 20 volt platform from DEWALT, you'd be able to use the nail gun as a bare tool. A little hard here, there we go. Okay. So this, with the 2 amp hour battery, will fire up to 2,000 1-inch 23 gauge pin nails in standard 2x material on that. And you can see you also get the kit bag there. Super compact, very nice. You also get the manual, obviously, and you're getting your belt loop here. You know, also you can hang it in your pocket. Yeah, you just got to mount that. So some assembly required, and you can do it for lefty or righty, whichever you're more comfortable with. It's going to go right there on it. It looks like they gave you some 23 gauge 1-inch pin nails, 400 of those. So you can see this is Bostitch. DEWALT actually also owns Bostitch, and that was one thing I was going to go through. You can buy any brand, we also sell Grex on the site, any brand of 23 gauge headless pin nail, all right? And as long as you stay within the required size for this, or capacity, so this will do 5/8 to 1.5 inch fasteners as the range of fasteners that you can shoot with this gun. You can use any brand as long as they're headless. They do make headed. This will not take them, so make sure they're headless. All right, so any brand. See here, nice compact. It's just over 2 pounds without the battery. You already got a Nomar tip on here, it looks like. There's one there. It looks like they're giving you an extra one here also. Has an easy clean out. If you get any jams in there, you can open it up, clear out the nail. Always make sure you're getting everything out. Sometimes you might get another jam after it. It's more than likely because you didn't get everything out the first time when you went to do that. Also, actually here, we'll open that back up. Tool-free depth adjustment is here. So you got to kind of open this to get to it because it locked out, so you can't accidentally hit it. This also has a low fastener, so when you get down to a certain amount of fasteners, so you don't dry fire this, which is not good for a tool, there's an LED light that illuminates to let you know that you're out of fasteners. It's going to be here, all right, on the tool. Let's see if we can get that to fire up with no fasteners in here. If we power this up, I don't know if it's going to work or not because I am opening this also. Okay, so there's your safety, and you can see it does illuminate there. So you have your safety here, because on pin nailers, there's generally not going to be a safety tip to depress before you pull the trigger on that. So you're going to pull this first, then you're going to pull the trigger. If I pull this now, it's not going to fire, which is good. You never want to really dry fire any nail guns. A lot of the newer guns have that feature built into them from most brands. Let's get my safety glasses on. We're going to fire a few nails here in this. Again, with the pin nails, you can see on these, there's an arrow down. Those are going to go in the magazine this way. The other way to tell, sometimes they might not have that. You're going to have more of a flat side on the top, and then more of a beveled, point that should go down where the arrow is going on that. And you're just going to put that in there. Once we do that, if I hit this now, you can see now we're ready to fire. Got an LED to illuminate it there, and we're ready to go. I'm going to pull this again first, and then when I'm ready, I'm going to fire it. And again, if you had to, if these were sitting proud or out of it, you would just open this. Obviously, safety first, remove the battery before you're going to do anything with this gun, especially a pin nailer, just because you don't have, you have your safety here, but it's live. Once you pull this, you don't want to be shooting it off in the air. It's not like other generally nail guns out there. So you would just open this, and then you could adjust it go deeper or bring it up if you need it to sit more proud to whatever you're doing. So again, 5/8 to 1.5 inch capacity on this, up to 2,000 1-inch pin nails can be fired on the 2 amp hour battery. Again, bare tool or kit, check these out now at toolnut.com.